Links for the recipes will be in the description box. Here are some ideas to cook some Valentine's Day magic. If your sweetie likes a juicy steak, this tutorial on how to grill steak will satisfy any carnivore. From sirloin to filet, this technique works on them all. Matter of fact, this grouping is our Valentine's Day dinner. Serve it with caramelized onion twice-baked potatoes. One large potato can serve for two, especially if you're saving room for dessert. Delicious, velvety, and full of flavor. Finally, Brussels sprouts with honeyed walnuts is a great way to get the roasted taste in half the time. The crunch of the walnuts and sweetness of the honey will woo your honey. If comfort food is your love language, my meatloaf recipe will be just the ticket. Loaded with veggies, and the leftovers mean a meatloaf Sammy is in your future. Of course, that means creamy mashed potatoes are in order. A secret ingredient gives them their creaminess, and let's not forget the pool of butter to give those warm fuzzies. My roasted chipotle honey carrots top off this dinner with an elegant look and taste that will impress your beloved. You might want to eat early because this meal might have you in a sweet, sweet food coma. This is a little lighter but just as dreamy. Chicken cordon bleu is filled with ham and cheese goodness that will make anyone swoon with delight. The panko crust makes it feel light and airy with a crispy crunch. That would go perfect over a bed of mango tea rice. Customizable with your favorite tea and rice combos, it lends a subtle taste that doesn't overwhelm the main dish. It cooks up light and fluffy. Serve it with roasted asparagus. Simply seasoned and roasted to perfection, this makes an excellent accompaniment to this dinner menu. It's almost asparagus season, so it's a good one to have in your pocket anyway. Can't forget dessert. Here are a few delicious options. Raspberry stripper cookies may have started out the 12 days of treats in December, but they are just as lovely for Valentine's Day. Raspberry or strawberry jam give the perfect color of love to these gorgeous bites. If your sweetheart loves thumbprint cookies, they'll love this variation. An apple galette is also a tasty option if you love apple pie but want a rustic look to your dessert. No one will tell if you use store-bought crust because the point is to spend time with the one you love, right? They'll love you even more once they have a bite of this. I know I would. Or you could make easy red velvet crinkle cookies. It's like stupid easy. The cool thing is they get better with age. They will be just as soft in a week in a container as they are Valentine's evening. They also make great whoopie pies, a friend told me. If you want a fancy brunch option, here you go. Pesto scrambled eggs are so easy to do and the flavor is insanely good. It's a definite upgrade from your regular scrambled eggs, and people like the chopstick method I use to get some fluff going for restaurant-style eggs. Spicy candied bacon pairs perfectly with it and is amazing. Like, your person's gonna look at you and be like, "Dang, I'm glad I married you," or whip out a ring if you're dating. Seriously, it's that good, and who wouldn't want to reinforce how lucky they are that you cook so well? Finish it up with some chipotle home fries. Now I've used purple potatoes, but you can use your favorite potato. A nice little kick on their own, but also plays well with others if you're a stab an egg in a home fry kind of person. If your honey likes the sweet stuff for breakfast, then they're going to want this banana bread French toast. Oh yeah. There is nothing like the taste of banana bread, but you griddle that bad boy up and you've got a taste of heaven and maple syrup right there. I think I'm drooling. How rude. Or if they're a donut lover, these apple donuts with maple cider glaze will give you the satisfying sink back in their chair and make manatee noises of approval that you're going for. They're that good. They're baked and have chunks of apple, so pass them off as healthy. Valentine's calories don't count. For more recipe ideas, click one of the playlists or go to mrskringleskitchen.com. Happy Valentine's Day!